So right now I'm gonna roll my lemons, and then I'm gonna cut them in half and squeeze them. So I like to hand squeeze my lemons, and that's just because that's how I learned it, and that's really the best way for it. Juice are really either it's too much or doesn't get enough. But rolling the lemons to soften it up a little bit. Some people put it in the microwave and you do it in there for about 15 seconds. That also gets it soft and easy to juice, but I just like the rolling method. I'm using brown sugar, and that's what I typically use for my lemonade. Just because I prefer that real natural sweet of the brown sugar, and you know, the darker color doesn't bother me. So if you don't like the dark brown, then sure, you can go ahead with some granulated sugar. And now to give it a little taste. Oh, that's perfect. Sweet enough for some ice and tart enough. It's not too bad. And that, guys, is how I make my homemade lemonade. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.